WebPano now integrates P&ID diagrams directly with 3D models and scan data. You can link a P&ID drawing to the spatial environment and instantly navigate between 2D schematics, 3D geometry, and point cloud reality. This significantly improves navigation, troubleshooting, and operational decision-making. And as project-specific P&IDs become available, they can be connected automatically, creating a unified engineering information environment. Working with P&IDs in WebPano is simple and intuitive. Diagram elements that are already linked highlight automatically, and creating new links takes just a moment. Select an item in the P&ID and its counterpart in the 3D view, and the connection is stored instantly. Navigation works the way you prefer, through the diagram, through the spatial view, or through list-based menus. Selecting an element from the list immediately locates it in the plant, so schematic information and real-world context stay perfectly aligned. And P&ID integration works even when no 3D model exists, only mesh or point cloud data. Diagram elements can be linked directly to scanned reality, making the feature extremely powerful for brownfield sites and partially modeled facilities. WebPano brings diagrams, spatial data, and plant reality together, turning P&ID navigation into a fast, clear, and accessible experience. All engineering information stays connected, clear, consistent, and easy to access.